You're the gatekeeper of the building. Every wall, floor, and fixture, your responsibility. Most people never notice what it takes to keep a school running, but we do. And care like yours should be met with care like ours. For more than 100 years, Hoffman Painting and Finishing has restored every surface your students see, from drywall and carpentry to finishing and wall coverings. We work quietly, cleanly, and on your schedule. No mess, no chasing, and definitely no surprises. Because this work, your work, is more than maintenance. It's stewardship. It's a pride in the places where the next generation learns and grows and dreams. We're family-owned and family-led, guided by the same values that shape so many of the schools we serve. When we finish a job, it's more than a project. It's a partnership. I'm Christine Marie, fourth generation of Hoffman Painting and Finishing, and our legacy exists to protect yours. From drywall to detail, we care for every surface that shapes tomorrow. Call us today to learn how we're serving educational facilities across the DC metro area.